Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Travelers. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Travelers' impressive fourth quarter and full year results.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Travelers reported a net income of $2.496 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 20% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in net income was primarily driven by a higher underlying underwriting gain, increased net investment income, and lower catastrophe losses. The combined ratio improved significantly to 80.2%, indicating strong underwriting performance across all segments.
And what about the core income?
Core income for the quarter was $2.51 billion, up 18%. This was supported by a 3% increase in net earned premiums and a 3-point improvement in the combined ratio, showcasing Travelers' disciplined execution and strong profitability.
Investment income and shareholder returns. Investment income also saw a notable increase. Can you tell us more about this, John?
Sure. Net investment income rose by 10% to $867 million, driven by growth in average invested assets and higher yields in the fixed income portfolio. This contributed significantly to the overall profitability.
Travelers also returned a substantial amount of capital to shareholders. What were the key highlights there?
Indeed, Travelers returned $1.897 billion to shareholders, including $1.653 billion in share repurchases. This reflects their strong cash flow and commitment to enhancing shareholder value. Additionally, the book value per share increased by 23% to $151.21.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did each segment contribute to the overall results?
In business insurance, net written premiums grew by 2% to $5.514 billion, driven by strong retention and new business. Bond and specialty insurance saw a 4% increase in premiums, reflecting growth in surety and management liability. Personal insurance maintained stable premiums at $4.2444 billion, with improvements in both homeowners and auto lines.
Travelers has also been investing in technology. Can you tell us about their strategic initiatives?
Travelers invested over $1.5 billion in AI and other technology initiatives, aiming to enhance operational efficiency and customer experience. This strategic focus positions them well for future growth and competitiveness.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's discuss the earnings per share. Travelers reported an adjusted EPS of $11.13 for the fourth quarter, significantly beating the forecast of $8.42. John, what does this tell us?
This is a substantial beat, exceeding expectations by $2.71. It highlights Travelers' strong operational performance and effective cost management. The consensus among 11 analysts was much lower, indicating that Travelers outperformed market expectations significantly.
CEO's perspective and future outlook. What insights did the CEO, Alan Schnitzer, provide regarding the company's performance and future outlook?
Alan Schnitzer emphasized the strong performance across both underwriting and investments, attributing it to disciplined execution. He highlighted a core return on equity of 29.6% for the quarter and expressed confidence in the company's strategic positioning for 2026 and beyond.
And how does the full-year performance look?
For the full year, core income rose by 26% to $6.325 billion, with a core return on equity of 19.4%. This robust performance underscores Travelers' ability to generate substantial shareholder value through its proven strategy.